Hi guys, today we are going to test the Dashing Sword Point Yuuki skill. This 3-star skill is given for free to everyone as a result of the popularity poll that we had a couple weeks ago. Let's see if this skill is something that we can use. Before we begin, please like, share and subscribe for more SAO integral factor content. So what this first skill do is quite clear that we have increase in critical rate by 9%. One thing to note here is that this skill is called Precise Attack 3, which means that it will stack with a 4-star Precise Attack 4 skill, which is really nice. Let's first look into this skill and then we can check the other skill effect afterwards. So as you can see, I have my passive set up with mostly free skills. We can also replace the Dancing Sword Yuuki with the free Valentine skills that also have a Precise Attack 4 skill, but with lower critical rate increase at 10% I believe. But we're just going to use the Dancing Sword right now. I'm going to challenge the floor 8 boss that can inflict frostbite and activate the Xenon passive skill, and show even with just the free skill we can make a decent critical build. So let's go ahead and find the floor 8 boss quest from the bulletin boards. We're inside the boss. We are going to let the boss hit us with the technique so that I get the frostbite. I shouldn't have dodged that one. I guess the drawback with this build is that there's not that many enemy that can inflict frostbite. Okay, so looks like I got a frostbite now, so we're going to check out the critical rate from the status window. So we can get up to 50% critical rate with mostly free skill from now. If we use the 3-star rapier skill that increased the critical chance by 50%, we can get 100% critical rate easily. Looks like just that skill will be pretty useful for building critical build. The second skill will require to equip other Yuuki skills to get the benefits, which increase the defense by 7% if we equip 3 Yuuki skill and 7% attack if we have 5 Yuuki skills equipped. So let's see if the skill count itself as part of 3 or 5 Yuuki skill or not. So currently I have the Dashing Sword Point Yuuki as part of the set in both passive and actives. And I'm going to change some of this passive to Yuuki passive to see if we can get the 7% defense boost. First, I'm going to replace the Diavel skill that increases defense 8% to Yuuki skills so that it's easier to notice the increase. I'll replace it with the Calm Warrior Yuuki, which will reduce my defense to 1276, which makes it 2 Yuuki if we count the Dashing Sword Point. And let's replace this Jin that increases attack to something else that does not increase attack to make the attack increase noticeable. So I replace it with this Klein that will increase HP instead. Hold on, the 3 Yuuki skill will only increase defense, so I don't really need to do this actually. So let's change it to Yuuki skill. As you can see, my defense becomes 1365, which increased 111 defense. Comparing this skill with the Yuuki skill, we only have one defense points different, not 111. So it looks like the 3 Dashing Sword points will be counted as part of the sets. So we actually only need 2. Now if you're wondering how we can get the 5th Yuuki skill where there are only 4 passive slots, yes, the last one needs to be an active slots. As you can see, I already have 4 Yuuki skill on my passive and my attack is 1339, so I'm going to replace my active with the Yuuki skill. I'll pick the Blossoming Lancer Yuuki and my attack becomes 1418. Active skill does not increase stats, so if the attack stat changes, we know that it's because of the 5 Yuuki in the same set. In my opinion, this skill is a good skill by itself, due to its skill being Precise Attack 3. I feel like Sword will get most benefits since Sword have skills that will give damage increase with higher defense, so it will utilize all bonus effect. Also, Sword probably have the most Yuuki skill that we don't need to sacrifice as much passive slots for it. So that's it for the video. Bye now!